Here's the following problem related to exporting videos in Premiere Pro. I go here to the Export tab, I set a name, video and audio settings. I click on Export and your video was exported in 1 second or 2. So what's the problem? If we open a File Explorer window and go to the F drive, there's the video and it is 0.99 megabytes in size. And it's half a second long. So what's the problem? Well, go back to the Edit tab here. Here is a selection. If we go there, closer, Alt and scroll up, we can see that only a tiny portion from here to there, only that one is selected. And if I go to the Export tab, here in the center we have a range, source, in and out, and it is exporting only that tiny portion. So either go back to the Edit tab and right click there and clear in and out, and now nothing is selected, or on the export page select entire source and now click on the export button. And now it's not exporting in 1 second, a 1 second long video, but it's taking much more time and it is exporting the entire timeline of Premiere Pro.